Good evening.
Nandiyan ba ho si Julieta Rivera?
Yes.
Is this Julieta?
No. Just a minute, please.
But is she there?
Hello?
Nandiyan ba po siya?
Eto nga ho.
Julieta, si
Aha.
Pilita Corrales po ito ng
Aha.
Awit Tawagan.
Aha.
Okay.
Aha.
You have a chance to win 20,000 pesos in cash.
Aha.
Pwede mo ba isabi sa akin kung ano yung sentence na pinakita namin from the beginning of the show?
Aha.
Okay, Julieta, please.
So, sa Lamporte, ito ang bida. Sa presyo, abot kaya.
Yeah! Congratulations, Julieta Rivera.
Naintindihan.
Pumunta ka dito, pag natanggap mo na yung telegrama,
Yes.
pumunta ka dito sa
Yes.
Friday at
Yes.
6 o'clock in the afternoon
Aha.
sa Celebrity Sports Plaza.
Mrs.
Nanalo-
Adelina.
Thank you very much.
Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat din.
Nanalo din si Mrs. Esteban.
Bye-bye.
Nanalo rin ang ating home viewer ng
Tiga
20,000
Balara.
pesos,
Tiga
Mrs.
Balara.
Adelina R. Esteban. Okay. Now, Maritoni, will you please tell us something, yung, ano ba ito? Sa pelikula mong Padre,
Padre
Amante
Amante.
Guerrero.
Showing na po kami, February 6, Padre Amante Guerrero. Panoorin niyo po sana ito magandang pelikula with Eddie Garcia, of course.
You are the leading lady of
Yes,
Eddie.
tita.
How does it feel to be the leading lady of Eddie Garcia?
Fantastic.
Fantastic,
Yes.
no? He's a wonderful,
Wonderful actor.
and a very, very nice person. Hindi mo ba alam
Na
na si Maritoni ay may royal blood?
Royal Blood si Maratoni.
Patay.
Oho! Hindi mo ba? Siya yung anak nung, she's English-Filipino mestiza.
Aba.
Yung kanyang tatay, yung late Lord Moynihan.
Pareho kami.
Bakit?
Ako rin may lahing German.
German ka rin?
Oh, German Shepherd.
Naku, terrible talaga. Teka, Maritoni, why don't you tell them something about the movie and invite them to watch it on the 6th of February?
Okay, obviously, ang pelikula po ay tungkol sa isang pare, si Padre Amante Guerrero, na
Magandang pelikula.
What did I do?
Oo.
I lured him. Talagang
Ganyan.
nagkasala si Eddie dahil po sa akin.
Ayan.
So-
Teka, is this a true story?
No, it's fictional.
Fictional.
Yes.
But all the movies that Eddie Garcia makes, especially FLT films, talaga namang
This
mga
one-
blockbusters, no?
This one is talagang maganda po ito. Kasi first time nagpari si Eddie Garcia.
Pari
This is-
ba siya rito?
Yes, this is actually his dream role na he's never done before.
Fantastic then. Fantastic. Why don't we show them the trailer of
Yes.
Padre Amante Guerrero? Thank you, Maritoni.
Thank you.
LT Films International is proud to present the actor of the decade in his first totally